Really is something in my eye. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. So I am so sorry. I have to apologize that I have not been on YouTube for the longest time. It's just been a lot going on, and honestly, I just needed to take a break from social media in general. The only platform I've honestly really been on is TikTok, I think, as we all have been, because I have just really been enjoying and loving that app. If you don't follow me on there, make sure you do. I'm gonna put a little plug right here. But anyways, so today's video is going to be on how I install my Luxy hair ponytail extension. I am obsessed with this hairstyle. If you see pictures or follow me or know me, you know that I wear my hair like this pretty much every other day. So this hairstyle, you guys, it is so easy, so simple, and it seriously can take a look from 0 to 100 in a matter of seconds. So if you guys want to see how you can achieve this beautiful, long, sleek ponytail look, then just keep watching. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button because it really does help me. Let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I have my hair up, pulled back in a ponytail, and I put my bangs down. So you can feel free to put your bangs up or just a few little baby hairs, whatever you feel comfortable with. So as you can see, this is my hair right now. It is pretty short, not really glamorous. So we are going to turn this into a nice long sleek ponytail. So here is my Luxy ponytail. It has some highlights already in the hair. I believe it's 20 inches. I will of course link this exact ponytail in the description below, but this is what it looks like. And then this is what the inside looks like. You have this little clip that you're going to go ahead and attach to your ponytail, and then of course you have this piece right here which has Velcro attached to it on this side that is going to wrap around the ponytail to of course disguise the elastic and the hairpiece. So this is super simple and super easy to put on. So the easiest way to hide your ponytail is I'm not going to leave my ponytail out like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair, so I'm going to take my hair, and then I have this small little elastic rubber band right here, and I just kind of twist, and I try to do a very, very tight small bun, and then I just take this rubber band and I will secure it. Okay, so as you can see, I look super silly right now because it looks like I have no hair. We are going to put the ponytail right over this. So I have my ponytail right here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take it just like this, and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to see if I can do this so that you guys can see. I am going to go right over that little bun right there, that like little little comb piece that you guys see right here, and I'm going to place it right into the center of that bun. Okay, I'm going to take this and wrap it around to the left, and then you're going to take that piece that I showed you guys earlier that has the Velcro that's going to wrap around. I kind of swing my hair over so that it doesn't get caught on the other hair, and then you just very carefully and slowly wrap it around like that. And as you can see, it's wrapping around like where the ponytail elastic would be. Once I get there, I'm going to take a bobby pin, and we're just going to secure this hair right here. It secured the hair with the bobby pins. So as you can see, the ponytail is on. This is what it looks like. Now you can absolutely go ahead and leave it just like this. This is my little trick in how I wear my ponytail extensions. I personally love for my ponytails to be very like pushed up. Very, very Ariana Grande like, and I just like it to have a lot of volume. So I use two little like clips just like this, okay? I'm gonna take this first one. I'm going to go right where the little bun is, right underneath like the crown area of this ponytail. It's like right in the center. And I'm going to take the claw and I'm going to clip it right on. So as you can see, it just pushed it up and gave it some volume. By the way, when I am clipping these, I am clipping them this way. What I'm gonna do to secure the clip that I just put underneath, I'm going to go right underneath it, okay? So I don't know if I can even show you guys. Can you guys see by any chance? This clip, and I'm gonna go right underneath, push up and secure, okay? And I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but now this is pushed up a lot more. And because I have both of those claws like right underneath each other, it is very, very secure. This ponytail is not gonna move. It's not gonna go lopsided. And now I have a lot of volume in this ponytail. So that is pretty much it. So now all you have to do is style it. And of course, put curls in it. You can wave it. You can do a braid if you would like. I pretty much just wear it straight. I like having a nice, sleek, straight look. So that is how I wear mine. So as you guys can see, it was very simple and it was very easy to get this ponytail look. A lot of times I think people think it's harder to achieve getting these extension pieces on, but it's not. And I am obsessed, of course, with wearing my hair like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you guys end up getting a hair extension piece like this, you do it this way with like the little clips, make sure you tag me or message me and let me see some pictures. I would love to see how you create your ponytail look. Once again, I'm so sorry I have been MIA. I absolutely want to get back to making some videos for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please give this video a like, a thumbs up, because it does help me. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video.